How to fix the error 0xc0000022 on Windows 10? The application was unable to start correctly. So let's get started. So, the most common reason for this application error is when the program is facing trouble with the access rights. So, in order to fix this, all you have to do is check permission configuration. If you can identify which application triggered this application error, you can check its permission settings and ensure that they are correct. You can achieve this using our guide here. So let's get started. Right-click on the application that caused the error and select Properties option available from the drop-down menu. In the windows that pop-ups, go to the Security tab. From there, change the permission for all the administrators, power users, and systems to allow full control. Lastly, click on Apply and you will be done. Now you can try to launch the application and see if the application error is gone or not. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.